Today, I'm going to show you how to create a new sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro the fast way, and also how to set up a custom sequence manually when you need your own dimensions. This is a simple skill, but it saves a lot of time, especially when you want your sequence to match your footage perfectly, or when you need a vertical format for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Adobe Premiere Pro tips. Let's start with the easiest method first. If you already have a clip imported into your project panel, find the video file you want to edit. Right-click on that clip, and from the menu, choose New Sequence from Clip. This is one of the fastest ways to get started, because Premiere Pro automatically creates a sequence that matches the clip's resolution and frame rate. That means you do not have to guess the settings yourself, and you reduce the chance of timeline issues later. This method is especially useful when you are editing footage from a camera, phone, or screen recording, and you want the sequence to fit the source perfectly. Once you click New Sequence from Clip, Premiere Pro generates the timeline for you, and you can immediately start editing. It is a great option if you want speed and accuracy without having to manually configure anything. Now let's move to the manual method, which is better when you need custom settings. If you want a specific format, press Ctrl+N on Windows or Command+N on Mac. This opens the new sequence window. Here you can choose a preset if you want to work quickly, or you can go into the Settings tab to create your own custom sequence. In the Settings tab, you can enter the exact dimensions you need. For example, if you are making vertical content, you can set the frame size to 1080 by 1920. That's the standard size for vertical video, and it is perfect for social media content. You can also adjust other settings depending on your project needs, such as frame rate and pixel aspect ratio. The goal here is to make the sequence match your final output as closely as possible. After you have entered your settings, give your sequence a clear name so it's easy to find later. Then click OK, and your custom sequence will be created. From there, you can start importing your clips and building your timeline exactly the way you want it. Once your sequence is created, it's always a good idea to verify the settings. To do that, open the Properties panel by going to Window, then Properties. In the Properties panel, you can view the sequence details and confirm that the resolution, frame rate, and other settings are correct. If something does not look right, this is where you can go back and adjust it before you continue editing. This verification step is important because it helps you avoid problems like mismatched footage, scaling issues, or exporting in the wrong format. Taking a few seconds to check your sequence settings now can save you a lot of frustration later. So to recap, if you want the fastest setup, right-click your clip and choose New Sequence from Clip. If you need a custom layout, press Ctrl+N or Command+N, adjust the settings in the Settings tab, name your sequence, and click OK. Then use the Properties panel to confirm everything is correct. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Premiere Pro tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.